We often get asked what's the best window to buy in Raleigh, North Carolina, and all of our surrounding towns. But the truth is, each customer has a different pain point that we're looking to solve. That's part of our consultation, that we go through the process of learning what specific problems does each homeowner have, and then we find the right glass pack or the right window for them. For example, our Wallaby Advantage window can be compared in a double pane, a triple pane, and a laminated glass package. Each glass package can be observed on what's called an NFRC label, and each window will show you the solar heat gain coefficient, the U factor, the visible transmittance, and some will even show the sound transmittance, but that's a detail we can always look into more if it's not on the NFRC label. So one customer may be looking at replacing some south-facing windows, and they want to make sure that that solar heat gain coefficient has a stronger number. Other customers may be near the 540 or maybe under the airport, and they want to make sure that the sound transmittance number is going to be a stronger number. We go through the whole consultation, learning about these problems and teaching them how to read the labels so that they can find the right solution for themselves. That's one of the ways that Wallaby Windows is clearly